kaya napag-grocery na naman kami guys. Kaya napag-gastos na naman kami. Sabi kasi ni Dasha, mag-grocery daw kami. Wala na daw stock. Diyan lang! Wala na daw kaming stock guys. Ayan. Kumuha kasi ako ng card ng license ko. Meron na pala. Buti meron na. Ayan, may hotdog kami dyan.
If you find the one, you should never give her up.
Pang-almusal
I
guys.
think it's the way life changes when in love. Yeah, I surround my soul with
Ito dalawang chicken food.
positivity.
Dalawang
That's
buo.
why I don't worry
Nag-grocery
about
kami
the
sa
days that I don't
SNK.
see. Yeah, these days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run. Yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. Once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
Speed. Ayan, try ko itong speed na ito kasi at meron kami ditong ayan, mga maliliit-liit na syrup powder at saka paleta. Ayan, may mga 3-in-1 kami dyan. Pag in case na wala kaming kape, ayan, may mga Baguio oil kami dyan. Isasali na lang guys. Yan. Kung ano yung kurang yan ang bibili natin. Ayan, meron ako dyan pancake, pang hot cake na ano yan. Di ba ano yan tawag dyan? Oo. Ayan, may mga pasta po ako, macaroni pasta. total niya.
Eh, minus
100 plus lang naman. Yun na total na 7,600 minus this ito 100 plus naman. So, ayan po. Luluto na si Modesto guys. Nakapili yung aking luluto. Pinanakita ko sa bago niya. Luluto niya na. Hindi ko na nabigyan yung tilapia. Ayan guys. ba masama din yung mga ganyan. Kaya, ayan. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. 6 minutes lang pala itong aking video. Parang tagal-tagal na. So, ayan guys. Yung mantika guys, dinamihan ko na kasi kailangan namin lagi yung mantika. Mahilig kami sa luto-luto ng mga ano. Ayan. Thank you for watching.